Create product visuals with the Freepik AI suite. Open the AI image generator. Select the Nano Banana model and upload your product photo, along with reference images such as environments or characters to support the composition. Craft your prompt with specific details. Highlight your product's design, materials, and key features. Then set the scene with lighting and atmosphere. You'll get clean, consistent product images that are perfect for your social media posts, banners, and marketing campaigns. Now, let's refine the image. Open the AI image editor and use Retouch to fix artifacts. Adjust using the image editing controls. Then go to the image upscaler and apply magnific precision for superior quality and detail enhancement, ready for any use. Use the AI video generator and select the Keling 2.5 model for rich lighting and emotional accuracy. Describe camera movements, add ambient motion such as lighting effects or atmospheric details. Refine your clip with the video upscaler for sharper, flawless playback on any screen. Select your clip from the creation history and click on the Add to Video project. Finally, use the video editor to combine your AI-generated clips and background music into one polished campaign video. The result is optimized content for product pages and ads created through one single workflow.